Here we go. Doesn't want to mulch this thing. Hey, I'm just having a bit of a stretch, bit of a break. We're getting into this job pretty well. There's a fair bit to go. You can't tell with the camera, but yeah, it's getting pretty steep up here. The driveway is actually concrete, but yeah, I've got to clear this driveway. I've got to reach out as reasonably as far as I can because of the slope each side and clear it up. It's starting to get a bit thicker in places. And yeah, you can see back there where I've been. The little Yanmar and the mulch is doing really, really well. Sun's staying out for us, and yeah, it's been a good day. All the birds are having a good feed of wildlife that I'm stirring up, but you can see where I've been for sure. As it's getting steeper, I won't be able to take as wide a path, and yeah, just for stability reasons. But yeah, it's definitely getting steeper. You'll see already I've had to turn around, and the back of the tracks are just getting off the ground a little bit just so I can level myself up. But as I get steeper, the back of the tracks will be a lot further off the ground. My stability will be a concern, but I'll manage that. But yeah, this is going all right so far. I've had a bit of a chat with the neighbour. He's okay with me going really close to the fence and taking out the trees. So yeah, the day's going well. Righto, I'm going to set this up and just video me doing this for a bit. Sorry for the wobbly work. I might pause it for a bit and start it up again. So, here we go again. this angle will give you an idea of how steep it's getting here as well. The camera doesn't do it justice, but yeah, it's getting a bit steep, but not that bad. Righto, now we're getting serious. This is getting thick as I get up the hill. I mean, I knew what the job was like because I come and scoped it out first, but yeah, so I'll turn the camera around, or maybe I won't. I don't know how to. Anyway, I'll work that out one day. But yeah, we can see. Hang on, this way. That's where I got to go. It's steep, and that's where I've been, down there, and you'll see in a moment it's getting serious. Look how tall this grass is. I'll put the camera up a bit. Forgive my shakiness for the time being, but yeah, that's my mulcher, the good old trusty FEMAC F9, and there's the grass. I'm 5'10", and this stuff is like, I don't know, much better than 2 meters tall for 3 meters. So we're looking at probably 9-10 feet. And all my American friends, all us old fellas who still working feet. Anyway, I'll pause it and I'll turn the camera around. So there you go. Yeah, it's tall grass. My excavator is about, with the boom like that, it's close to 2.7 meters tall, and that grass is way over it. So lucky it's not like that all the way, but yeah, it's a bit overgrown here. But my FEMAC mulcher and my Yanmar digger and DNM Services will get it done. Anyway, I'll set up this camera so you can see. Oh dear. Camera lens was sprayed with grass. Sorry about that. That's going to be bad video. Oh well, never mind. But yeah, gets into it. You can see the angle that I have to be on to get myself level. Probably a little bit more than overcompensating there actually. But anyway, yeah, it gets into it. Mulches it up. Turns it into just mulch. That's what it's designed for. Anyway, I'll keep going. DNM Services, up her again.